बेंगलुरु के एमजी रोड में फ़िलिस्तीनियों के हक़ में एक एहतजाज किया गया। फ़िलिस्तीनियों पर हो रहे मुजालिम के ख़िलाफ़ यह एहतजाज था। साइलेंट प्रोटेस्ट के ज़रिए एक पैगाम दिया गया। यहाँ के तमाम मज़हब के लोगों की तरफ से, नौजवानों की तरफ से ये पैगाम दिया गया कि वो फ़िलिस्तीनियों के उन लोगों के साथ हैं जिन पर जुल्म हो रहा है।
More about the media. The media is so biased towards Palestine. If you see news like BBC and CNN, they are so partial, they are so biased towards Israelis. Everything is being portrayed in Israel's perspective. Nothing is being portrayed in Palestine's perspective. Hundreds are dying every day. Every minute there's a Palestine being dead. Is that being portrayed? No. It's all about Israelis. Are they not seeing what's happening from the past 75 years? Not only about the Arab world, it is basic human rights, the whole world. How are they not seeing what's happening? This is basic human rights. It's not a religious war anymore. There are Christian Palestinians dying. There are Muslim Palestinians dying. Everyone in Palestine is suffering. We all need to start. We all need to spread awareness about this.
Innocent people are dying, attacked by Hamas and Israel. The culprit is Israel. Why is he hitting the civilians, children? This should be stopped immediately.